Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn about 50 plus super useful vocabulary words for daily use. Stunning. Stunning. Meaning: beautiful, attractive, gorgeous. Example: she is looking stunning today. Clever. Clever. Meaning: intelligent, bright, smart. Example: she's quite clever in solving problems. Joyful. Joyful. Meaning: happy, pleased, content. Example: I'm so joyful, we won the game. Converse. Converse. Meaning: talk, speak, communicate. Example: let's converse about our plans. Huge. Huge. Meaning: large, big. Example: that's a huge burger. Freezing. Freezing. Meaning: bitterly cold. Example: it's freezing outside today. Sweltering. Sweltering. Meaning: very hot, very warm, boiling hot. Example: it's sweltering outside today. Ancient. Ancient. Meaning: very old, age old. Example: that's an ancient car. Help. Help. Meaning: assist, support, aid. Example: can you help me with this task? Dash. Dash. Meaning: run, rush. Example: let's dash to catch the bus. Robust. Robust. Meaning: strong, powerful. Example: he looks very powerful and robust. Hilarious. Hilarious. Meaning: funny, entertaining. Example: that joke was hilarious. Leap. Leap. Meaning: jump, bound. Example: let's jump over the small fence. Jot down. Jot down. Meaning: write down, note down. Example: I need to jot down some important points. Spotless. Spotless. Meaning: neat, clean, tidy. Example: the room looks spotless now. Explore. Explore. Meaning: travel over, tour. Example: I would like to explore new places. Grain. Grain. Meaning: smile broadly. Example: she always grins when she meets her friends. Rowdy. Rowdy. Meaning: noisy, boisterous. Example: the party next door is quite rowdy. Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.